for them. I gave me a heart attack that one. I thought we were going to be sued by Costa Rica. That wouldn't have been good now, would it? Oh, something special here. Give me a second to get back. After pain and loss and grief comes